Hi everyone, this is part 3 of the awareness exercise of how to be in the now moment as you go about your normal day's tasks and work. And this can be your training ground, which is so perfect that you can be doing it all the time without really having to think a lot about it. So we're talking today about our speech and how we sound to others, how we come over to others, and are we really coming over how we think we are? And this is so important because every day we're talking, aren't we? That's the one thing that we do every day. So at the end of this particular video, I'm going to give you the awareness exercise again because it's so important to have that little exercise which takes 1 minute each time you do it. And what I was asked in the mystery school that I attended was to do it 4 times a day, and it totally changed the course of my life and is the reason why I do what I do now. So let's start talking about how we talk. The first thing to do here to really comprehend this is start to put your attention on the sound of my voice and not on what I am saying. You do not have to put your attention on understanding. This one thing that you can start to do now throughout this video. You'll have to keep bringing yourself back because our awareness until we train it is not good. So keeping your attention on my voice, you're going to know what I'm saying. In fact, you're going to know on a deeper level. You will have comprehension, an inner understanding of what I'm saying in a different way, in a better way. So what's happening to you now? You're realizing that you're coming into attention. Okay? So when you talk from day 1, which is today of having learnt this, you're going to start to put your attention on the sound of the voice of the person you have in front of you. And when you speak yourself, you're going to put the attention on the sound of your own voice. And then when they answer, you put the attention on the sound of their voice. This is completely different perspective, but it's so important. It's 10 times more than trying to understand what a person's saying. That actually takes you away from understanding and from knowing. So begin today, just in your normal conversations. It's going to take you a while to even remember what I'm saying. This is how zombie-like most people are. So begin now. Have you forgotten or have you put your attention on the sound of my voice again? I'm going to leave this here for today because I want to run through the basic exercise because a lot of people are listening to the other videos and not that first one. And it's crazy because this is the basis of all of our awareness and really truly changing our perspective. So I'm going to start that now. So sit down somewhere comfortable. Close your eyes. And I want you to become aware of your feet resting on the ground. Become aware of your bottom sitting on the seat of the chair. Become aware now of the clothes resting on your body. Become aware now of the air touching your face and your hands. Become aware now of the breath coming into your body and out of your body. And now Listen to the sounds that are immediately in your room or your environment. Do not label them. Do not judge them. Just hear them. Stretch your listening now to the furthest sound that you can hear. Do not label it, just hear it, become aware of it. Do not judge or label. Become aware now of your feet resting on the ground, and when you're ready, gently open your eyes. And just to add here, how difficult is it for you right now not to label or judge? Because that's one of the most important parts of practicing this exercise 4 times a day. It's so powerful, that part, but it is difficult in the beginning, isn't it? Be honest with yourself. Are you still judging that you heard a car? And oh God, why would you have to hear a car at that moment? Or are you just labeling it a car? You will get to the point where you will be present in this life and not label or judge anything, but just be here now. Thank you for listening. Please like the video and subscribe. If you subscribe and press the notification link, you'll be able to get the next video where we're going to be putting this all together more and talking about that. And we'll go further into what the real state of awareness is in the now moment, your presence.